Excellent additive manufacturing solutions delight customers. But finding these solutions is challenging. As the additive manufacturing industry grows, its technological landscape becomes more fragmented and the complexity of details increases. This makes it difficult for beginners to get a solid grasp of additive manufacturing fundamentals, while experienced AM design engineers may focus on a specific technology at the expense of the larger solution space. To solve this problem, we have designed Manifest. Manifest is the world's first virtual reality learning environment for additive manufacturing. By putting on a set of VR glasses and exploring our app, users are taken on an exciting journey that shows them the vast technological landscape of additive manufacturing. We have developed this app in-house over the last 12 months and are planning our global release for later this year. In our learning environment, users find digital twins of many 3D printers that represent the different leading 3D printing technologies. They can observe those machines in operation in a native 3D environment. The virtual space allows for close-up inspection that would not be possible by studying 2D diagrams in a textbook, watching a video, or even standing in front of a real machine. For each 3D printing technology, we not only show a 3D printer, but also the material selection, process chain, and associated workflows. Manifest is interactive, intuitive, comprehensive, concise, and accessible all at the same time. This creates a unique learning experience where users can learn new 3D printing skills quickly and acquire valuable know-how for machine operation and error minimization. All information is easy to access, absorb, and memorize due to the immersive and intuitive nature of the VR experience. Our team is uniquely suited to make Manifest succeed. Together we have years of experience in designing and producing 3D printed parts, as well as designing virtual reality environments. We have combined our two passions to create this innovative and exciting app that we believe is going to serve both additive manufacturing professionals and their potential customers well. We are looking forward to seeing you all on our fantastic island.